25% of known bee species have disappeared from the public record since the 1990s. Reports of bees' decline, alongside the decline of insects in general, are alarming. Bees and other pollinators are declining in abundance in many parts of the world, largely due to intensive farming practices, monocropping, excessive use of agricultural chemicals and higher temperatures associated with climate change, affecting not only crop yields but also nutrition. Due to their significant role as pollinators of plant life, bees have an outsized impact on the global ecosystem. The roughly 20,000 bee species are the most important group of insect pollinators on Earth, contributing to the pollination of 85% of all cultivated crops. As a result, the decline in global bee species spells trouble for the planet and the survival of people. We must act quickly to prevent the rapid decline in global bee species. Worldwide, honeybees and other pollinators help to produce about $170 billion in crops. Honeybees are one of the most important agricultural commodities. 1 of every 3 bites of food eaten worldwide depends on pollinators, especially bees, for a successful harvest. Over the past 20 years, bee colonies have been disappearing in what is known as the colony collapse disorder. Colony collapse disorder, CCD, is an abnormal phenomenon that occurs when the majority of worker bees in a honeybee colony disappear, leaving behind a queen, plenty of food, and a few nurse bees to care for the remaining immature bees. Some regions have seen losses of up to 90%. Much of the produce seen in grocery stores, watermelon, apples, peppers, cucumbers and nuts are pollinated by millions of honeybees, or Apis mellifera. Food prices could rise if populations continue to decrease. High bee losses year after year could lead to fewer beekeepers, and prices per bee colony could increase dramatically. There are a few steps we need to take. Firstly, we need to reverse the destruction of bees' habitats. Secondly, we have to create programs to replant and reflower. Some plants benefit from more radical treatment in order to smarten them up and to encourage them to reflower. Thirdly, we have to devise sustainability programs in cities and in agriculture. We need to work together in order to have a sustainable future. Thank you for listening. If you like our work, please like, share and subscribe.